Hi, I'm Carl with Abt, and this is a 2-minute review on the Klipsch Soundbar model RSB-14. This sits at the top of the list for soundbars in Klipsch's lineup, and with good reason. There's a lot of great features. The soundbar itself is 44 inches wide, so it fits best under TVs 50 inches and up. And wall mounting is, in most cases, simple with its 2 keyhole mounts on the back. All the controls are going to be located either on the front of the soundbar, the remote, or you also have the option to operate the RSB-14 through the Klipsch Stream app, which offers more functionality than we'll be able to go over in this video. Inputs include 3 HDMIs with HDCP 2.2 compatibility, an optical input, a 3.5mm analog input, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. You also get an HDMI out with an audio return channel to run to your TV. Now let's talk about sound. This speaker is really good. It's pricier than a lot of other soundbars out there, but I'd still call this a value because of the sound quality. And to see our current pricing, make sure to click on the link in the description. This is a 2.1 channel system that's got 2 3/4-inch tweeters mated to 2 dual Tractrix horns that provide super crisp highs and clear vocals. There's 4 2.5-inch woofers to fill in the mids, and a separate wireless 8-inch sub to bring in the bass. And you can really take advantage of the whole range of what this can offer acoustically by using features like their virtual surround mode if you want to expand the soundstage, the dialogue enhance mode for making voices stand out better, or the night mode if you want well-defined sound without disturbing anyone that might be sleeping. Now, if you're someone who's looking to get a soundbar in place of a surround system, this is a great one to look at. It sounds clear at any volume, it can be controlled a variety of different ways, it can be integrated into a larger home sound system through the app, and can turn one of your TV's HDMI inputs into 3. So, like I said before, it's more of an investment than some other soundbars might be, but you get a ton for your money. As always, we appreciate you checking out our video, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we post new content.